This question is asking about our knowledge of probability. So let's take a look. The garage to your home has a 4-digit code containing the numbers 5, 9, 4, and 7. You cannot remember the order of the first 3 digits, but know the last digit is 9. If you randomly guess the order of the first 3 digits, what is the probability that you enter the code correctly on your first attempt? Okay, so this is an example of simple probability, which is the majority of the probability that you'll see on the ACT. So in general, simple probability would look like this. The probability of some event, whatever it is you are looking at, you draw a red card, or in our case, you select the correct digit of the code. So that would just be the total number of successes divided by the total number of outcomes. Okay, so let's take a look. In our case, we have a 4-digit code, so let's just show it this way. And we know, we're told that we remember the last digit is 9. So now we just need to figure out these next 3 digits on our first guess. Okay, so on this first digit, there's 3 numbers remaining. There's the 5, the 4, and the 7. And so we have 3 total outcomes. And it just needs to be the right one, so there's 1 success. So here we have a 1 in 3 chance of selecting the correct digit. Okay, let's just say that that digit was 7. Okay, so now for the second digit, there's 2 outcomes remaining because we've used the 9 and we guessed the 7 correctly. So now there's the 5 and the 4. So there's 2 outcomes remaining and we need it to be that specific digit. So we have a 1 in 2 chance of that happening. All right, let's say we guessed that correctly. Let's say that was the 4. So the 4 goes here. Now we have just 1 digit remaining, 1 success, and 1 outcome remaining. It has to be that 5. So we have a 1 out of 1 chance of getting that code. Okay, and so we have these 3 digits. Here's the probability that we will guess those digits correctly. And then what we do is we multiply those probabilities. So on the top, 1 times 1 times 1 would just be 1. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 1 is 6. So in order to guess that code correctly on our first attempt, we have a 1/6 chance of doing so. And if we look at our answer selections, we can see that 1/6 is choice D.